this mheshimiwa Richard Steve Mogaka kuruna tuacho baba jumbe igabata mete bakaswa asidi magendelo kianyo le tofauti na nje since he has been sitting that kenenge in fact ni tutwale kumodera mwizo denga ki yani mpaka Steve Mogaka obedi na serikali from 2022 kibara tairi no nyene pa it is only after the ball doko daga gaki no you know because ndo kwate focus ito ya kusindiras basi to communicate
azo bege to monto ke tororo kwa koruski para chich constituency get mwate
etwa bodi gaki yani mpaka Mogaka obedi na serikali since 2022 yani kende ngeyo nonya so oyo onyo konyora anything in this final year. And I want to assure you, Lawrence, na jae weke ndikinzi yako kwa hebu na serikali. In the king getting to call before 2027.
You wish.
Because the serikali ya promise yako to see too many things. Very many things.
Just hold on. Tani yote ba. Mheshimiwa serikali ya broad based. Yes.
Hold on.
Being in government for the sake of being in government, Steve Mogaka is a textbook example of failing while in government. Itakuwa kenege no nyene kia irwe usiengi mayahiru a lot of promises na UDA government, but 80% of those promises are still born. Kenege akorwa oda ketawa davinga if in 4 years even to be a promise to see bia na korwa 80% even to be a promise bia na korwa in 4 years. Ono Lawrence yung dito takita kang davinga in these 14 months remaining na libigo tayo korwa. Intwe etwa manyete mapema. That kona kobera aga unagote bungo za serikali without abantu bao kohegwa tangible benefits is a waste of time. One for example sai kwa machoke bwana. Inche. I have been very nice. In fact not that people ogote mno Barongo mata ekanyeka. Almost yes ya gacha. Almost yes bigo sia gacha. Last year toka mogani biasa. At a time abantu ba ibe party ya ba ko advice ngose gocha mu machoke ni lyo koraki okuoge. We received it wabashasha na upendo agacha. I got to promise a lot of things. Have those things been done? The promise until you go to hire 5 million shillings. Where's that money? I got to promise go to hire Kenya TTC 10 million shillings. Where's that money? Before him, Oyo Minto Machoguna Regor. Choguna to promise go to hire some 2 million shillings for infrastructure. I followed up na CSB goes. Where's that money? Ndora haroki kwa zichiwa zichichire wono Lawrence
takore mwira milioni
ya kimono ko haze serikali ego kwana busa na tego koraki na tego kirani mama ganito.
You don't work for government.
I work with government.
So yes, you cannot all be for the government.
No. I work with government. I'm a government supporter.
Are you a government?
I know this. Let
me ask you a question. Again, people want to know.
Whoa, yeah.
For progress, window the Ajira. As an advocate, we quote